I'm the sales director of Orbo, also board member. And next to me is Francis. He is the technical manager of Orbo. I will shortly describe Orbo, what we do, and then on the technical part, Francis will complete. We are going to talk about the whiteness, the supreme whiteness that we obtain in one-shot flexo printing, and we are obtaining that through technical details will follow. We are part of the Atria Group. Atria is founded in 2018. Meanwhile, we have 18 companies in 9 countries, from Spain to Finland. We, as Orbo, are a manufacturer of flexible packaging, primary food packaging, 100% in Flowpack and lidding films, materials from polyethylene, polypropylene, polyester, polyamide, barrier films. We print, we laminate and slit in-house. We can also laser perforate all the films, and we have BRC certification. I'm going rather rapidly through this because it's not in this that lies the innovation. The film, which won the prize, or the backing white, which won the prize, was printed on a hybrid press. We are printing the white in flexo. We integrated a flexo printing unit because of the ink transfer, which is good. We use it for sandwich printing, and we can also print varnish. When we have exterior printing, then we use it to lacquer the films, matte or glossy, 2 possibilities. We print standard in 175 lines per inch, and the supreme whiteness comes through the flexo printing unit, which is at the end of the press. E-beam curing, that means food safe printing. We have no photo initiators. We have no VOCs also, and we are doing this since 2012. We were amongst the first in Europe who implemented the e-beam curing for flexible packaging. I will let Francis, who is the technical manager of Orbo, have some explanation on the varnish.
As mentioned by Philip already, we can also apply varnish, gloss or matte. On the award-winning innovation, we printed matte varnish in a second pass in register. Herein lies the difficulty to keep the register from the matte varnish quite exactly to the first printed image of the first pass. Okay, so what was the problem? As mentioned before, the register. So what we do? We do not use spot detection. We use a special marker developed in our pre-press department in combination with the machine supplier. One of the other difficulties is to maintain web tension perfectly. Therefore, first and second print run should be exactly on the same web tension. One of the biggest advantages of backing white is the high volume curing. We can apply, if we apply 4 grams, due to the fact that we have no dampening, we keep 4 grams dry. We have more pigment transfer, which results in about a 33% opacity gain compared to other flexo technologies. Another big advantage of the EB white is sustainability, which is now quite a big issue going on now. So due to the fact we have no VOCs. But I don't need to tell you, we had quite some problems to get where we are at the moment. So first we had pinholing, which affected the whiteness. And then on the other hand, we had delaminations. On the first step, to avoid the pinholing, we tried to use 2 times white, but this also affected a lot more the delamination due to the ink layer thickness. In combination with different plate types, with different screen rulings, we managed to use a 1-step white and become much more white than, as mentioned before, other technologies. This also had quite some effect on cost. So as we used only once white, I do not have to tell you there was a lot of difference in application of white. So what we're trying to do now to keep optimizing our flexo process with in-house testing of white, how to use it, how to apply it. For the moment, we are working on a new analogs, which is giving 4 different zones with 4 different inked volumes to see what gives the most white with the less application. We would like to thank you for your attention.
That was rather short.